the Gotham Steel 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan is a superb addition to any kitchen. Crafted by Gotham Steel, known for their quality cookware, this frying pan boasts a durable ceramic material that ensures even heat distribution for perfect cooking results every time. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, while the attractive brown color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this frying pan is its dishwasher-safe quality, which means you can save time and effort on cleaning up after cooking your favorite meals. The 9.5-inch capacity provides ample space for cooking a variety of dishes, making it versatile for everyday use. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, this Gotham Steel frying pan will surely meet your cooking needs with ease and efficiency. Overall, the Gotham Steel 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan is a reliable and high-quality kitchen companion that combines functionality with style. Its durability.
The Ninja C30026 Foodie Never Stick. Premium 10.25-inch fry pan is a sleek and durable addition to any kitchen. Crafted by Ninja, a well-known brand for quality kitchen products, this fry pan combines innovation with functionality. Made from aluminum, this pan is not only lightweight, but also offers excellent heat distribution for even cooking. One of the standout features of this fry pan is its versatility. It is compatible with gas, electric, and induction stovetops, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking setups. The slate gray color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the generous capacity of 11.36 liters provides ample space for your cooking needs. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, searing meats, or frying up your favorite dishes, the Ninja C30026 Foodie Never Stick Premium Fry Pan delivers exceptional performance every time. The non-stick coating ensures that food slides off effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, the durable construction.
The all-clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan. Set two-piece is a top-notch addition to any kitchen. Crafted by the renowned brand All-Clad, this cookware set exemplifies quality and durability. Made with HA1 hard anodized material, these fry pans ensure even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. One standout feature of this set is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze after a satisfying meal preparation. The HA1 color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the set's 1-pound capacity makes it versatile for various cooking needs. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the all-clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set two-piece is a reliable companion that delivers excellent performance and lasting quality. Upgrade your cooking experience with this exceptional product from All-Clad. The Blue Diamond Cookware Diamond-Infused Ceramic Nonstick 10 inches Frying Pan. Skillet is a standout product that brings both style and functionality to your kitchen. Manufactured by Blue Diamond, a trusted brand in the industry, this frying pan boasts a unique construction that sets it apart from traditional cookware. Crafted with a combination of diamond-infused ceramic and aluminum materials, this skillet offers exceptional durability and heat distribution. The diamond-infused coating not only ensures a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning, but also enhances the pan's overall strength, making it resistant to scratches and wear over time. One of the key features of this frying pan is its compatibility with gas and electric stovetops, providing versatility for a wide range of cooking needs. The striking blue color adds a pop of style to your kitchen, while the generous 5-quart capacity makes it ideal for preparing family meals or entertaining guests. Overall, the Blue Diamond.
The Tramontina 80,114 535ths deciseconds Professional Aluminum Nonstick Restaurant Fry Pan is a top-quality product that stands out in the market. Crafted by Tramontina, a reputable brand known for its commitment to excellence, this fry pan is designed to meet the needs of both professional chefs and home cooks alike. Made from durable aluminum, this fry pan offers exceptional heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, while the satin color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this fry pan is its versatility. Compatible with all cookware types, including gas and electric stovetops, this pan is a must-have for any kitchen. Additionally, its dishwasher-safe design makes maintenance quick and easy, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your culinary creations. With a generous 10-inch capacity, this fry pan is ideal for cooking a variety of dishes, from omelets to stir-fries. Whether